Hello friends, I am Sun and this is my family. This is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. I have 8 members and my family I found in the center of solar system and also called the hottest star. I am the planet Mercury, at closest planet to Sun and the smallest one. I do not have any satellite and daytime I am hot and nighttime I am extremely cool.
I am Venus. I am the second planet from the Sun. I am open visible on dust. So I am called the morning and evening and the star. Its atmosphere on me as the mixture of poisonous gases.
I am planet Earth. I am called the blue planet and the first planet with life on it. My atmosphere has oxygen that support life. I have only one natural satellite.
I am the planet Mars. I am the fourth planet in the solar system. After Mercury, I have 2 satellites.
I am Jupiter. I am the 5th planet from the Sun. I am the largest planet in the solar system. I take 9 hours to rotate on my axis. I am the largest planet. And around 11 years to revolve around the Sun.
I am Saturn, sixth planet from of the Sun and second largest planet in the solar system. I have I am Uranus. I am the third largest planet from the Sun. After Jupiter and Saturn, I also have many satellites. 1 year is equal to 84 years of Earth. Hi, I'm Neptune. I'm a planet of galaxy. It's made of thick soup of water and methane. Jupiter has 6 rings, but they are very hard to see. I am the 4th largest planet of galaxy.